What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Friday. So today I wanted to talk about how the overall stock market is doing for Friday. I made the video a little early, even though the stock market is still open. And I wanted to go over my dividends that are already hitting for the month of August. I know I made a video yesterday talking on some of my dividends that are coming in, but today I have more coming into the portfolio that will be hitting tonight and the next week or two. So you can see the portfolio is down to $49,827. It's down $1,172. Now, a lot of people get scared on the red days because everything is tanking, everything is dropping. People don't like losing money. And days like this is when you have to take advantage of the opportunities that some of these stocks are at. So some of the prices that these stocks are at. So personally, I had to use some margin today. I used $130. That's going to be paid off tonight when I get my IWNY dividends, which I'm getting around $500 from. So that's going to be paid off, and I'll still have a little money for taxes and to reinvest into the portfolio for Monday. So days like this, you got to take advantage. So we looked, I bought some shares of IWNY. I think I bought like one share. Coney, I got like 4 or 5 shares. I'm at 336. MSTY, I got 1 share. And I dollar cost averaged into some other plays here and there. But I want to talk about the dividends as well. But like I said, days like this, when you see everything in the red, you guys got to take advantage and buy the pullbacks. So the overall S&P 500 is just doing bad today. You can see it's down $10. All right, so you got to take advantage when you see red in your portfolios, because you won't see days like this unless we're going to like a big recession, or the economy is just doing really horrible. As things are slowly getting better, now that we're heading into an election year, I think things will eventually calm down a bit. This is just my opinion. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. But right now, when I see red in my portfolio, I definitely try to buy. Even though I didn't have any of my cash in the portfolio, I did have the margin. So that's the great thing about having the margin. You do have that to play with, but you got to be responsible and make sure you could pay that back. So obviously, since I'm getting my IWNY dividend of $500+ and I only played it with $130 of margin, that's going to get paid off tonight because I get that dividend. So I want to add up the dividends that I'm getting in the next week or two and the ones that I'm getting for tonight in my individual investing account. So you guys can see yesterday I think I had like 4 or 5. We now have Realty Income, SGOV, and JEPI in there now. So these are all going to be paid in the next week or two. SPY-T and IWNY will be paid tonight. So let's add everything up as well and show you guys what I'm going to be receiving so far in August. So let's start off with SPY-T. SPY-T 86 cents, 0.86. IWNY is $543.79. So right there alone, we already have 544. JEPI is 25 cents. Erase that. Hold on 1 second. Plus 0.25. And then we got SGOV is going to pay me, I believe it said $4. All right, here we go. $4.19. 4.19. So we're at 549.09 cents. ADC is going to pay me 12 cents plus 0.12. And then we got Stag is going to pay me 14 cents plus 0.14. All right, so we're still at 549 and 35 cents. And then we got Realty Income with $16.65, which you guys saw there. And Realty Income paid at 26 a share, so that's pretty good. $16.65 plus $16.65. We're at $566, and PSCC is paying me $1.36 plus 1.36. So we're at $567.36. So obviously $130 gets paid off for the margin. We're at $437 to reinvest, or I could use it in whatever. So that's pretty good to have that to play around with, to put aside for taxes and stuff like that. So I'm going to obviously reinvest the money into buying more shares, obviously into my second week plays, and a little bit of my third week and fourth week plays. I like to buy a little bit of everything, but usually I try to buy on whatever week we're going into. So let's see here. We already passed first week. I already got all my dividends for first week. So I'll probably buy little amounts of IWNY, SPY T, and JEPI. Obviously AGNC, I will not be receiving that dividend because I got in too late. Main Street Capital, STAG, ADC, and Realty Income already gave me their dividend. I don't know about Main Street. Let me just double check. I don't think I got Main Street. Main Street Capital, I did not get yet. So obviously that's got to come in, and probably in the next week it will. Coney and MSTY, I believe those dividends will roll in sometime in the next week or two. I know the distributions are going to be announced next week. I believe YieldMax is announcing them on the 7th of this month. So after that, I will receive my Coney and MSTY dividends. So in the meantime, I'm going to buy more Coney and more MSTY while I still haven't received the dividend. And then we're going to head to third week and then fourth week. So Coney and MSTY, hopefully they're good payments for August. Obviously Coney is at a steal right now at $16 and MSTY at $26. So we're gonna see what they pay out in the next week. So that's basically all I have for you guys today as far as the portfolio goes. It looks like it still keeps on going down. You can't be afraid to see days like this, guys. These are days where you want to buy, like I've said over 1,000 times in the video. Buy on the pullbacks. You will definitely see it pays off in the long run as things start to get better and the economy gets better as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everyone who has been subscribing. I appreciate all the feedback, the love, and the support. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. If you want to sign up for Robinhood, check out my link down below. And I appreciate everyone for tuning in today. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.